Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be addressing a common issue faced by Instagram users: notifications not working. If you've been missing out on important updates and notifications from Instagram, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this updated tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to fix Instagram notifications not working. Step 1. Start by turning on push notification settings within the Instagram app. Open the app, go to Settings, and make sure push notifications are enabled. Step 2. Check your phone's notification settings specifically for the Instagram app. Ensure that notifications are allowed and not blocked or silenced. Step 3. If the issue persists, try clearing the cache data from the Instagram application. This can help remove any temporary data that might be causing conflicts with notifications. Step 4. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Instagram on your Android device. Sometimes a fresh installation can resolve any underlying issues with the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram notifications not working problem you've been facing. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.